Pretty cool little machine, huh, Bo? Used to be a bicycle. So it was a mini bike, like a bicycle. It was called a Just Go Runt, and it had pedals on it. But someone converted it to a motorized one. They put a GoPed engine on there, welded on a frame. It's pretty nice. It's a little tricky to ride. As soon as you start it up, the rear wheels start spinning. So you need to get going. You have to hold the rear wheel off the ground to start it, because as soon as it starts, the rear wheel starts spinning, and if you stop it, it kills the engine. So you kind of have to jump on it while it's moving. It's a little tricky. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna attempt it now. It's like a little, I'm gonna feel like a bear, big bear riding a circus bike. I'm 220 on a good day. This is another one I have. It's a race scooter. I'll be testing it out next. It's a stand-up race scooter. Does about 55 miles per hour. I'll be testing it out next. You can see it's kind of tricky. Whew, boy, that was a little scary. So, let's try this one out. I'm not going to drive it as fast as it'll go, because it's, like I say, it'll do 55 miles per hour. Okay. So, prime it a few times. I noticed the kill switch doesn't work, so I have to pull the spark plug wire to kill the engine. That's choke on. A lot of compression. that's what the handlebars look like. That's your throttle there, and that's your front brake. That's your rear brake pedal there. Let's do it. This thing runs really good. So if you look, it's a dual belt drive setup. Pretty clever. This engine's a little bit bigger than a typical weed eater engine too. I'm not sure where it came from or how many cc's it is. But you can see the dual belt setup. Pneumatic air tires, which is nice. Spare gas can holder right there, or water bottle. Pretty sweet. So this one here is more of the weed eater size engine. Looks like they just welded that frame onto it there. This is where the pedals used to come out, I believe. You can see how light it is. You can just pick it up and carry it off when you're done.